Let's see here.
What are you doing,
Kind of
Chris?
caught me.
Oh, that's the new 2800 series
Yes,
bird
it
cage.
is.
The
Yes,
all
it is.
steel one.
All steel. It's got an all steel design. We got all steel plates. We got all steel body. That's the new deal right there, guys. Check that out.
Got a left rear and a right rear.
But it's really close to, it's pretty well the same thing as the aluminum as far as the housing and body and stuff go.
Yeah.
Same arms, but they're steel.
I don't think you even know.
Hey! Ricky over there. Zoom in on Rick. Gotta get Rick.
Alright.
Ricky, put that toupee on. That toupee. Yeah.
Didn't know there was another one of them, did you?
Got two of them. Two of them. Not just one.
We started etching the standard positions on the link arms,
Yeah.
and this is a flat black powder coated.
That's a nice stuff. I like that flat black.
Different length bushings in here, so you can offset your shop mounts different. Same with the step bushings for your 4 bars. Different positions for your shop mount. As you can see from the back here, the shop mount can be placed all the way across the back side of the bird cage. On this particular one, it's the left rear. Got a front shop mount on it.
Yeah. Set up like a Longhorn, ain't it?
Yeah. Super nice piece.
It is a very nice
Plenty clearance for your 5-inch spring.
Oh, check that out. Got it going on, guys. We've got it going on.
Of course, it is a bearing.
Always doing some
It
kind
is a
of.
bearing bird cage.
It is a bearing style bird cage. That baby just floats around that axle too. Like, look here, what's that?
Oh, we got the rotating shop mount for it.
Yes.
Rotating. Log on to PPMRationProducts.com. Check it out.
Oh yeah.
More pictures on there. The right rear, the left rear.
Check it out, fellas.
Give us a call at 1-877-560-0619. As always, we thank you for using PPM Ration
I'm
Products.
supposed to end that. I'm supposed to. 865-354-9669. That's me, Chris. Call me.